Factory means a building where goods or things manufactured in large quantities using machine. So here we are going to see about in a biscuit factory. A biscuit is so crisp and tasty. So meaning of crisp is making a sharp noise when bitten. So when we buy the biscuit, we get the sharp sound that we say as crisp, and it is very tasty. We eat biscuits and it is very tasty. We all love biscuits, so all of us like biscuits. We get different type of biscuits in shops, so there are different types of biscuits in shops like Marigold, Good Day, Parle-G, Monaco. Many biscuits names are there, and different biscuits are there. 50 different varieties are there. They come in color packets, so all come in different colorful packets. And some biscuits you can see it is sweet, some is salty, and some we can see that it is salty and sweet. So there are different types of biscuits comes in different colorful packets. Different biscuits are different colorful packets, and it looks attractive. They are made in a factory. So they are made in a factory where the raw materials are converted into a product or a things or goods. So we can say that it is made in a factory. But how are biscuits made in factory? Let's find out. So now in this chapter we will see the step by step process of making the biscuit in a factory. So let's find out. Get a recipe. Recipe means instructions of how and what all things required and how to make that instruction to be followed. So get the ingredients, things that go in a biscuit. So what all ingredients are required in a to make a biscuit. So next step is decide how much of each to use. Weight each ingredient. So to be of a good quality and of a perfect measure, so they weight the different things that are used to make a biscuit. Mix the things and make a dough. So they are mixing all the things what are needed to make a biscuit. So all the ingredients what all required and the measures, how much all things required. For example, the flour and water, sugar, what all required are to be in proper measurement, and mixing the dough is done. And next one is knead the dough. Knead means pressing, squeeze, and doing is machine it is done. You can see knead the dough. Make the dough soft. Kneading is done. Now we'll see the next page. Roll out the dough. So rolling is done. So you can see here it is rolled in a sheet. So you can see using machine it is a rolling is done. Then cut out the dough into biscuit shapes. The next step is cutting the prepared dough into a biscuit shape. So here you can see it is in the shape of a circle. So here you can see there are biscuit in many shapes like circle, square. So here you can see it is cut in a circle shapes. Now next one is bake the dough shapes in an oven. So after cutting the shapes, then it is put in oven to eat, so that the biscuit will become ready. So the biscuits will be crispy and tasty. So next one is cool the ready biscuits. Cooling is done so that the biscuit there will be no moisture or wetness. Next we see if the biscuits are done or baked properly. So here you can see a person is saying if the biscuit is properly baked or not. If not baked means you have to bake it again. Then pack the biscuit into packets. So that you can see that the packing is done in the packets. The biscuit comes and the packing is done. Here the biscuit name it is given Tasty. So after packing, store and sell the packets. After that it is stored in godown, and then it goes to the retail shop and then customer buys the biscuit. Thank you.